Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious, addictive cookie butter, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try this on camera for you guys. Oh my God, this smells so good. Amazing. Oh my God, this is so addictive. It feels so wrong. It's delicious, you guys. Really delicious. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a delicious cookie butter. I'm gonna be using these cookies by the brand High Key. They're mini cookies and they're chocolate chip. These are keto, and I found them at Costco, but they sell them in smaller bags in different supermarkets. So this is the cookies I'm using today for the cookie butter, but you can use any cookie that your heart desires, whatever flavor you like. This is just easier because we already have them. So I've put some of the cookies in this Ziploc bag, and I'm just gonna go ahead and crush these. Sorry for the noise. And you can leave little chunks if you'd like of the cookie. These cookies are delicious. I find these to be on the very sweet side for my my liking, but cookie butter is nice and sweet, so these are perfect. And again, this is what I had in at home, and so I decided to use this. So you're just gonna crush them up, and like always, the ingredients that you're gonna need and the instructions to this delicious recipe is gonna be under the description of this video. And this is gonna go pretty quick, you guys, because it's just pretty much a dump and stir recipe, and everything is pre-made. I'm gonna leave some chunks in here. I love that. I love to come across little chunks of cookies. My favorite cookie butter is the one from Trader Joe's. Oh my God, it's delicious. So this is kind of like a take on that. And I tell you, one of the things that I love about this cookie butter recipe, we'll use that in a moment, is that I'm using the brown butter as opposed to just regular butter or another fat. And I have a short video on how to make brown butter. It's pretty easy and it takes just a few minutes. I'll leave that linked so that you guys can watch if you're not sure how to make brown butter. And this is gonna take this cookie butter to another level. The other thing we're gonna use today, which I have some here, is this is sugar-free caramel. It almost looks like butterscotch, and you guys, it really does taste like butterscotch, like those Werther's candies. Oh my God, it's caramel candies. That's exactly what this tastes like. And this recipe is from Maria Emerich. If you don't know who she is and you do keto or low carb, you really need to look her up. She has some amazing recipes. So this is her recipe of the sugar-free caramel. But if you don't want to make this recipe, you can just buy your own pre-made sugar-free caramel, or whatever caramel you decide to use for this recipe. And so we're gonna need, this is the brown butter, which I had it in the refrigerator, but I took it out a little while ago so that it would be as at room temperature as possible. This is a 1/2 cup measure. So here it goes. Probably gonna need another thing to mix it, but that's fine. I don't know if this is probably more than a 1/2 cup. It may just be just about a 1/2 cup. I think it's exactly a 1/2 cup. All right, oh my goodness, this is delicious, you guys, over everything. Yep, it's exactly a 1/2 cup. So we'll put that to the side. We'll put our caramel, so we have our caramel, which also I kept in the fridge, but I took it out of the refrigerator a little while before using it. So that's that. Brown butter and the caramel. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're gonna add some spices. Very, very simple. And if you have other spices that you like to put in your cookie butter, that you've had a specific one that that you want to add other seasonings to it or other flavors, feel free to. This is cinnamon right here. This is ginger, powdered ginger, and this is just pink Himalayan salt, okay? So I'm just gonna dump this in here. Oh, this smells amazing. Okay, I'm also going to add a little bit of vanilla. I always add vanilla. I don't know, I just love vanilla. So I'm not even gonna measure it. I'm just gonna use this. This is probably about a half a teaspoon. Just dump it in. Okay, and I'm just gonna mix this in a little bit. Oh my goodness, just these things together are amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, so the other thing is gonna be the cookies, and I use about 3/4 of a cup to a cup of the cookies. So I don't know, I'm just gonna use this to measure. And you can use, these are again on the sweet side. And depending on what kind of sweet tooth you have, you're gonna add as much as you want. So you wanna keep in mind that the cookie butter is gonna be just as thick as what you put in it. Okay, so that's a half a cup. Man, I've gotten really good at measuring. And that's another half a cup, okay? And I'm not gonna leave any of these people out. All right, so see, I have some chunks in my cookie butter. Oh my Lord, this is coming together. It already looks amazing. Now, I wanted to add a little bit, I wanted the texture to not be this runny. And again, when you're gonna put this in the fridge and it is going to harden up, so you can leave it like that. And that's your cookie butter right there. And just put it in this jar and put it in the fridge. But what I found helps with the consistency to make it more real, as you know, more like the cookie butter that I remember, like the one from Trader Joe's, like I said. It's not gonna be creamy, okay? It's gonna be chunky, but that's good. This is coconut flour. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put some coconut flour in here. And I'm just gonna mix it in. And I found this helps it, you know, get a little bit more texture so that it's not so runny. And it is gonna be this soft because all of your ingredients are at room temperature, okay? And that's it, you guys, that's your cookie butter. I mean, you're gonna thank me later. Try this recipe, it is delicious, and it makes about 2 cups of this. So if you want to just half the recipe, you can do that as well if you want to have less, if it's just for yourself. But definitely either way, make it. So if you do make it, please leave me a comment down below and let me know how you liked it. If you added anything to it or changed anything about it, like what cookies you used. I'd really love to know how you guys like this recipe. I'm super excited to share this with you. I haven't eaten cookie butter in so long, so this is a really nice treat. Just showing you the consistency of this cookie butter. Oh, look at that, you guys. Amazing. You're gonna love it. And this is just me putting the cookie butter away. This is just a mason jar. And again, you're gonna get about 2 cups of this cookie butter deliciousness. So share with your friends. Don't eat it all. Yeah, so you can even divide this in 2. Share with others. See you in the next one.